The IQ Fortiq BLS42 is an ultra-compact, high-speed servo motor. IQ constructed the Fortiq with one goal in mind: to produce the highest amount of torque and speed in the smallest possible package. The Fortiq is an integrated industrial motor and controller with an embedded position sensor. With position sensing and our advanced calibration and control software, we're able to deliver high-end motor performance in an extremely compact and robust package. The Fortiq has a number of advantages compared to traditional servos and stepper motors. It is extremely smooth and precise due to IQ's anti-cogging and encoder linearization software. Anti-cogging eliminates nearly all of the cogging torque ripple associated with high-torque servo designs, which means you can experience optimal torque output with minimal vibration. Encoder linearization compensates for inherent errors in position sensing, making IQ's magnetic encoder more precise than an optical encoder of the same resolution. The Fortiq also has built-in minimum jerk trajectories and can be synchronized to actuate complex multi-axis systems. Since the Fortiq is a full servo motor, it'll never skip a step or get lost. When an external force causes the motor to be out of position, it will recover as quickly as possible to its intended position. The motor is also silent. Hear it for yourself. The Fortiq interfaces with IQ's Python, MATLAB, C++, and Arduino open source APIs. It runs CAN, Serial, PWM, and other hobby communication protocols. Using CAN or Serial, you can program advanced behaviors like end-stop homing without limit switches. If you do want to use limit switches though, the Fortiq has GPIOs. They also have an analog input to connect potentiometers or thermistors, and a high current open drain output to drive resistive heaters and lights. In this campaign, IQ is offering 4 versions of the Fortiq BLS42. The motors have different stack lengths, but are otherwise identical. The longer the motor, the more torque it can produce. Please review the spec sheets to see which Fortiq is best for you.